Imagine being whisked away on a journey to a world both familiar and alien, a celestial body that boasts a history as old as the solar system itself. Welcome to Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. Mercury, named after the Roman god of commerce, travel, and thievery, is a world of extremes. With temperatures that can swing from a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit in the day to a frigid minus 290 degrees at night. It's a place of stark contrasts. The planet's thin exosphere, barely enough to be considered an atmosphere, means these temperature swings are sudden and severe. Mercury's surface is a pockmarked tableau of craters, scars from countless meteor impacts. The largest is the Caloris Basin, an impact crater roughly 960 miles wide, a stark reminder of the violent past that has shaped this small planet. Beneath its cratered exterior, Mercury hides a large iron core, taking up nearly 3/4 of the planet's diameter. This unusually large core suggests that Mercury has a metallic past, with theories suggesting it might have been a larger planet that had its outer layers stripped away. Mercury's day is a slow one, with the planet rotating on its axis once every 59 Earth days. However, due to its highly elliptical orbit and slow rotation, a single day-night cycle on Mercury actually lasts 176 Earth days. Now that's a long day. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet in our solar system. That honor goes to Venus thanks to its thick, heat-trapping atmosphere. Yet, Mercury's closeness to the Sun makes it a difficult planet to study, with only 2 spacecraft, Mariner 10 and Messenger, having visited it so far. In summary, Mercury's small size belies its intriguing characteristics. A world of temperature extremes with a surface scarred by countless impacts, a large iron core, and a day-night cycle that's the longest in the solar system. Despite its challenges, it continues to captivate us, a testament to the enduring allure of space exploration. As we continue to peer into the cosmos, one can only wonder what new discoveries await us on this tiny, enigmatic planet.